Hello everyone, I am from team ARVR and we have built a product named Voice Card which enables AR try-on feature with voice navigations and that too in 10 plus Indian regional languages. And for that we have used Bhashini's API which translates all the voice commands and act according to them. We have developed a JavaScript SDK that enables this feature, AR try-on and voice navigation with just 3 lines of code so that anyone can implement this functionality into their website. We have built a demo website based on that SDK.
So here we have created a Baatcheet solution using Bhashini. So Baatcheet is an innovative app that allows you to do voice calling on your mobile with live translation option. We are also providing international as well as Indian language translation. So for Indian languages, we are using Bhashini. It has support of overall 48 languages, where 34 languages are of foreign languages and 14 Indian languages. Hello, how are you?
नमस्कार, आप कैसे हैं?
Are you getting my voice?
क्या मेरी आवाज समझ आ रही है?
हाँ आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है मुझे।
How is your day going?
आपका दिन कैसा गुजर रहा है?
So as you can see, the other person voice coming as a transliteral as well. So here you can call, as I am using English, you can call other mobile using your English as a preferred language and he will talk in Hindi. So whatever he talk in Hindi will come as an English translation over this app.
I'm Hardik and today I will be presenting in front of you the audiobook which is powered by Bhashini. You will see the audiobook app. What we do is convert PDFs and user manuals into readable text and the text-to-speech in 13 Indian languages for people from different parts of India to read PDFs and the test manuals in their own language. They understand it much better. So you start with create new and then you choose the files from your local files. Here I will be selecting a famous book from author Premchand. So now the text has been read and you can either generate the text in Hindi itself or you could add translation. So press the required translation button, then choose one of the 13 languages that we support using Bhashini. So over here I will be choosing Punjabi and then I will be generating speech. Right now in the back end it is going to the Bhashini server. Then the text as well as the speech is being generated. So the text has come in Punjabi.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम नीलू है। मैं बहुत ही सुंदर लड़की हूँ। सबको पता है?
こんにちは。なぜ私の名前なのですか。私はとてもシンダルな女の子です。
छोले भटूरे खाना है।
取り残されたバクーラを食べたい。
मुझे नहीं पता ये मेरी हिंदी की उच्चारण की वजह से है या नहीं तो लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है। वो रियल टाइम अनुवाद चल रहा है।
その意味をご
अब
覧
ये
くださ
सब
い。
इंडिया घूम सकते हैं बिना चिंता।
बिना चिंता किए।